In this video, I'll show you how to zoom in and out in DaVinci Resolve. Start by moving the playhead to the beginning of your clip. Select the clip and open the inspector panel at the top right. Under the transform section, click the diamond icon next to zoom to add your first keyframe. Next, move the playhead to the point where you want the zoom in to finish. Now increase the zoom value, for example, set it to 1.8. This automatically creates the second keyframe. To zoom back out, move the playhead to the point where you want the zoom out to begin. Click the diamond icon again to set a keyframe at the current zoom level, 1.8. Now move the playhead to the end of the clip and change the zoom back to 1, the original value. This creates the final keyframe. To adjust the speed of the zoom, simply move the keyframes closer or farther apart on the timeline. Closer keyframes equals faster zoom. Wider spacing equals slower zoom. And that's how you create a smooth zoom in and out effect in DaVinci Resolve using keyframes.